Hello angels, I never make intros for my thrift videos. I really suck for that. I thought I would at least include an intro for this video, and I'm filming this while editing. I'm like basically done editing the video. But yeah, enjoy. I'm taking you guys thrifting with me. We're gonna do a try on thrift haul. You know, if you've been here before, you know the format, you know what we're doing. So yeah, enjoy.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
I usually start off with the tops. I found a lot of cute pieces today. This right here, it's very vampiric, very witchy. I love it. Then I'm showing you guys some of the ugly stuff I was sifting through. Hidiotus. That was kind of cute. I think I left it behind though. But yeah, that's what was happening here. Just a lot of looking through ugly stuff until we found some cute stuff. I love when I go through whatever aisles I'm going through, I'm done for the day, and then I line up all my finds on a rack, and then I make a keep pile, a maybe pile, a put back pile, and we found some cute pieces. We found this velvety Hollister shirt, just a lot of cute little pieces, a lot of fun textures, a lot of sequins, rhinestones. Hey guys, we're back from the thrift store. I ate some food. I watched a YouTube video. It was a reaction video to one of those weird ass, how do I describe those videos? Just like the people that do, like, it'll be like a lot of the times an episode on like dating, and then the background is white, and even the reactions are hard to watch. I don't know why I just put myself through that, but I'll try on like half the stuff, I guess. Denim vest from the brand Point Zero. This is how the vest looks. I feel like it's a little baggy on me. I'd rather it be more snatched. Next we have this pink halter top with rhinestones. Here's the shirt on. It's pretty cute, fitted. I kind of knew it was gonna fit like this. It's just like a stretchy top. But yeah, pretty cute. I would say this is like a good little basic. I got this Le Chateau tank top. It's got a bunch of like sequins on it, and like the fabric is glittery, which I love the combination of. I got this tank top from Susie Shear. I got a good amount of Susie Shear pieces today, to be honest. Next we have this piece from Violet and Claire. It's like this cute witchy looking top. It's very cute. I like the sleeves on the shirt. There's a shirt on. I really love the silhouette and how it drapes. And the pattern. The shirt reminds me of Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I feel like Willow would maybe wear this. And I don't know, just reminds me of 90s, 2000s witchy outfits, you know? Next we have this sweater, also from Le Chateau. Just cute little like simple glittery sweater. I was thinking it would be so easy to throw on. Since it's cold out again, I think I would gravitate towards this piece a lot. Here it is on. I like what it does here with the sleeves. I really like that kind of silhouette that goes out here and then cinches in at the waist. I will definitely wear this a lot when it gets cold again. Next we have another Susie Shear piece. Oh my god, this is even cuter than I thought it was gonna be. I've been collecting a lot of tops like this for going out, and I'm just like, I need to start going out every weekend now with all these tops that are entering my closet, and I'm not going out enough. Need to bring back fun clubbing clothes, fun clubbing outfits, bring back the glitter, the sequins, and let go of the athleisure. Let's not bring that into the club. I got a few skirts today. We have this midi skirt. They're all midi skirts that I picked up today. This one's from Club Monaco. Let's try her on. Okay, I just angled the camera a little bit lower so you guys can see the skirt in its fullness. I might as well try them all now so you guys can see them from this angle. I honestly don't know what it says on here. It might be Zara Basic that it says. It might be the old Zara tag. I'm not too sure. Here's the next skirt. They're both super beautiful. I love them both a lot. Now we're gonna try this top on. And I feel like this would actually be really cute with the skirt I'm wearing. I like the silhouette of this shirt, and it's got this little string. I have to actually wear this out. I need to make this an outfit accessorize. Next, we're gonna try on this Dynamite tank top. Here's how the tank top looks on. Cute, simple, sequins, love it. Next we have this top. I really like the look of it. I like the panels and that it's leopard print, and it's also, I don't know if you guys can tell the texture, but it's a velvet texture. Fortunately, this is a little baggy on me. I could sew it down the two sides and like cinch it that way, so I might be doing that. This is one of my favorite shirts I thrifted today. This also feels like a very witchy piece. It's got like a bunch of different designs on it, some of which I don't even know what they are, and then there's writing which I actually don't think I can read what it even says. I don't know if it's actual words. Guys, I'm obsessed. This is such a perfect shirt. Oh my god. And it's purple, and I love purple, and I love the mesh layering, and it fits well. This is such a cute top. I don't even want to take it off, and again, it looks really cute with the skirt. I got a good amount of like purple tops, which makes sense. It's one of my favorite colors, so I gravitated towards it. I got another Susie Sheer tank top on this t-shirt, and then another Dynamite tank top, another Susie Sheer tank top. This one has sequins all over. I feel like my thrift hauls are all like sequins beads, sequins beads. Next I got this little Playboy piece. Then we got this zebra print tank top. Okay, my battery almost died. For the rest of the haul, I'm just going to show you guys what I got. We have this little glittery top. I feel like a lot of these pieces feel like witchy pieces, like witchy 90s 2000s attire. I got this piece of like fabric. This is just to drape in my room. I've been doing some room decorating, which I am in the middle of filming a video for that, so that will go up on my wall. And then I got this pink scarf, and I got this silk scarf. I also got a few bathing suit pieces. I got these bottoms from Victoria's Secret. But I feel like there's some in my eye right now. This bathing suit top from the brand Foxy Jeans. Victoria's Secret bathing suit top. I actually have the same one in the color pink. Another Victoria's Secret piece. This. My light just died. Can we go on? Or, you know what? Let me find a way to charge it. Filming for me is a disaster most of the time. I never have storage at the moment. As I said, I'm running out. My phone's about to die. My light just died. I just plugged it in. It's a mess out here. Yeah, this is also from the brand Foxy Jeans. It's just a different tag. I got this top. I thought it was fun with the art style. This Candy Couture top. This top from the brand Willow. It's got rhinestones on it. This midi skirt. This Hollister velvet black tank top. This purple top. I like necklines like this, like a little V neckline and then cinched from the waist down. And then I thought this was like fun that the brand's called Pussycat, and it's like this this dress. And there's some butterflies. I got this set of bed sheets. They're Betsy Johnson leopard print. Got some DVDs. Two Broke Girls season 1. I'm so happy I have season 1 because it's like the funniest season. I feel like that was the season with like the best comedy. And then we have OC season 4. Yeah. And then Desperate Housewives season 2 and 4. Then I got this shopping bag for $1.99. I will be bringing this with me when I go thrifting. And finally I got this Jessica Simpson purse. I don't know what's going on with the thrift stores recently, but I feel like there's barely any purses left. Like, I feel like there used to always be more purses. Now there's like none. The one I went to today, and it was my first time going there in a while. Like, last time I went, they had a good amount of purses. This time they had like nothing. They had like no purses left. This was like the only cute one. I couldn't even believe they had one cute one, to be honest. I'm like never really buying purses from the thrift stores anymore because where are they? Yeah, that's the haul. So thanks for watching, angels. If you haven't watched my videos before, you should check out my other ones. I have more thrift videos. I have a lot of thrift videos on my channel. I have other types of videos. I do vlogs. I do like DIY videos and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah.